Grand Risings, beautiful souls. So, did you all get an opportunity to listen to Sean Ryan yesterday? There was a lot confirmed for me. And I want to share, okay? Now, what I found interesting is the email that the gentleman in Vegas sent to the gentleman that was on the Sean Ryan show. Okay? And that email, he specifically spoke about some things that got swept under the rug in 2019 about innocent civilians and WAR crimes. Hold on, I'll show you. This is the email that I'm talking about. And if you go here, okay, it will tell you what I'm referring to. Now, why is this relevant? Well, on this day, 2 days ago, I spoke about what was happening to the women and the children, in the P place. And the crimes that have been committed. And they specifically brought that up. Now, this is where you've got to understand some of that special training they have been through, okay? I've not been through it. However, I was married to a Marine through, the weapons of destruction. So I am very aware of how some of the stuff works, right? And if anybody's had anything to do with those things, you're aware of it too. So, they seem to think that they're not working together. Now, this is where I feel like there's still a connection to the two. And I'm going to tell you why I feel like there's a connection to the two. If what Sean Ryan said, dude is still alive, okay? He's still alive. Do you think maybe possibly he knew what was coming and that's why he did it on the same day? I'm just saying. It's not too far-fetched. And what Sean Ryan said about who is behind all of this, I see that too. And, he's someone that I follow, but I've not really been like gun-ho all about everything that he's talked about because, I'm just really careful of who I follow and what I take as truth. I do feel that he brought a lot of truth. I do feel that he did. I also feel that there's going to be a connection of these two that's brought to light. He doesn't seem to think there's a connection. I feel there's a connection. And when you know that special training that they go through in Fort Bragg, it almost looked like a setup, specifically with both of them. And when you fully have the awareness that what they're putting the blame on is all us, we created it, we fund it, literally, you start seeing it a little different. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. And I'll tell you why it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. Because this is just the beginning of the darkness of our corporate structures being brought to light. And we got to ride through this together. Okay? Hold the line. There's going to be a lot. Hold on. Buckle up, Buttercup. We'll talk soon.